Over the last decade, Youth Arts Alliance has served over 10,000 youth and families across Michigan with the support of over 100 dedicated teaching artists. The inception of Youth Arts Alliance was to make space for creativity within the juvenile justice system.
We know from research and from experience that arts and creation can create spaces of liberation, joy, and that's something that everyone should have a right to in their human experience. It provides a space to process through complex emotions and experiences, to just feel joy and to create for themselves as individuals.
The Child Care Fund is the state's primary source of funding for the juvenile justice system. The state, through the Department of Health and Human Services, who manages the Child Care Fund, reimburses the local communities back 50% for their expenditures, those that are eligible. The proposed legislation would increase the reimbursement rate for the Child Care Fund for community-based care to 75%.
Child Care Fund expansion means that the incentive for municipalities and systems and institutions happens in community. That young people do best in their networks of support and care. That young people want to build connection and relationship in the communities they live in. Those connections, those relationships can't be replicated by the systems that remove children from their neighborhoods. Families need support, young people need support in honoring the inherent creativity and talent they have.